Assalamu alaikum. Dear BBA third year students, welcome our research methodology class. Today we discuss the human side of business research. Today we discuss about in-house research, outside research, and advantage of in-house and outside research. What is ethics? Importance of ethics and ethical issues in business research. Rights and obligation of researcher, and also we discuss about rights and obligation of the sponsor. And rights and obligation of research participants. Now we start our lecture. First we discuss about in-house. What is in-house? In-house means conducting an activity or operation within a company instead of relying on outsourcing. I repeat again. In-house refers to conducting an activity or operation within a company instead of relying on outsourcing. This occurs when a firm uses its own employees and time to keep a division or business activity. The research, in-house research, is the research which is conducted by research and development of a company is called in-house research. Advantages of in-house research. First advantage is knowledgeable personnel. In-house research is conducted by the internal employees of a company or research and development department who are knowledgeable. Second advantage is less time. It needs less time. And third is low cost. It needs low cost and maintains secrecy. It maintains proper secrecy. Cross-functional integration. It makes functional integration between in-house researcher and other personnel of the company. Now we discuss about what is outside research. Outside research is the research which is conducted by individual researcher or research firm is called outside research. Advantage of outside research is fresh perspective, more objectivity and special expertise. Fresh perspective. Outside researcher can provide new ideas. And more objectivity, outside researcher can be more objective. Special expertise, an outside researcher is an expert in the subject matter, thus he can provide more knowledge on the subject matter. Ethics. You know about ethics. Ethics are morals or principles which are commonly used in business to increase productivity and profitability. Ethics are the rules for distinguishing between right or wrong. And ethics are important at home, at school and college, in religious places and in business, etc. What is importance of ethics? Importance of ethics is ethics play a vital role in decision making, and ethics are necessary for ensuring better planning. Ethics are also important for implementing system. Ethics increase sales and profits, it increase productivity, and ethics enable the company to get the most talented employees. Ethics protect the business takeover and it reduce recruitment cost. Ethical issues in business research. Here ethical issues are business research are researcher, research client and research participants. Who is the researcher? Who is conducting the research is called researcher, and research client is for whom the research is being conducted. What is research participants? Respondents of the research is called research participants. Research obligation, rights and obligation of researcher. First we discuss rights. A researcher or research firm has the right to have cooperation from the sponsoring client. And second rights of researcher is the researcher also has the right to be paid for the work he has as long as it is done professionally. Sometimes the client may dislike the result and try to avoid payment, which is unhealthy, which is unethical. Obligation. Researcher should perform the research in such a way that the purpose of research is research. Researcher should perform the research objectively, and research should be honest in presenting the results of the study. Researcher could discuss the errors that he has found the study. Rights and obligation of client. Rights of the client. Sponsor has the right to have objective study from the researcher, and sponsor has the right to get useful informed the study that is needed for decision making, and sponsor has the right to have ethical behavior information from the researchers and research participants. What is obligation of the client? The obligation of the client is it is the obligation of the sponsor to give full support and cooperation to the researcher. Sponsor should give all necessary information required by the researcher. Sponsors should sponsors should maintain open relationship with the researchers and also with the interested parties of the study. Sponsors should pay to the researcher on time. Last we discuss about rights and obligation of the research participants. Rights of the research participants. Research participants should be given enough time to decide whether or not to be in the research study. That means he should given enough time to decide whether or not to be in the research study. That means he or she is interested or not interested in the research study. Research participant cannot force to get information. And third rights is purpose of study should be disclosed to research participants. Information collected from research participants should be kept secret. Good relationship should be maintained with research participant. And research participants have the right to ask the result of the study. Obligation of research participants. Obligation of research participants. It is the obligation of the research participants to give true and accurate information. Research participants should not show boredom in providing information. Research participants should disclose all the necessary information, and purpose of the study should be kept secret by the research participants. Research participants should not show boredom in providing information. This is all about obligation of research participants. Thanks to all.